integral part of Indian cooking. We use this in our household on daily basis. So growing our own methi in our kitchen or in our balcony is something a fulfilling experience. So in this video I'm going to harvest my methi and I'm going to show you how to grow your own methi. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sunanda Agastya and welcome to my channel. In case if you're watching my channel for the first time, you can check out the previous videos on the suggested cards above. So now let's get started. So there are two methods of harvesting. One is you can just pull this up and the other one is using these scissors. So now I'm going to show you the first method. Okay, and I'm just going to pull out like this. Methi contains flavonoids which reduces low density lipids or low density cholesterol. Therefore, this is a best way for your kids to teach about growing plants and to take care of the plants. And now that we are going to face the second wave of COVID and there's going to be partial lockdown. So this is a best exercise that you're going to give to your kids and they can make a catalog out of it or a project out of it by clicking their photos. So if you want to use it as microgreen, so harvest it when it's got just 2 leaves, and if you want to grow them for some more time, you can just let them grow till this 3 leaves, and you can use them in dal or paratha or any type of dish. It is a best option for Weight Watchers and it keeps you fuller for longer duration and reduces the cravings for hunger. And methi is really good for breastfeeding mothers as it increases in milk production. For those who are suffering from hyperacidity or gastritis, methi works like magic and it helps to flush out harmful toxins from our body and it improves bowel movement. So when you harvest these greens with the roots, you just have to cut this out and then wash it thoroughly. So there's another easier method where you can just wash it twice and use it in your cooking. So I'll show you that. All you need is a pair of scissors. So you can just snip them like this. And this is pretty easy to clean. Methi has anti-inflammatory properties that reduces menstrual cramps and other menstrual related issues. Acne and its scars are the most common problems, especially for teenagers. You get a lot of acne and you try to pinch them and end up having marks. So due to the recurrent acne, your skin may get damaged and look dull and unhealthy. Methi contains diosgenin, which acts as antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. So these properties fight against acne and therefore keeps your skin bright and healthier. Methi keeps your hair healthy. So if you have tried different types of shampoos and still not satisfied with the results, it's time for natural therapies. So fenugreek contains proteins and nicotinic acid which helps to strengthen your hair roots and reconstruct damaged hair follicles. Therefore, it keeps your hair silky and shiny. Methi acts as anti-diabetic and it lowers your blood sugar levels and it keeps your diabetic profile in control. And this is one of the best green leafy vegetable to add in your diet. Now that we are done with this harvest and I really feel sad that there's no more green. So I'm excited to put some methi again and grow some greens. So all you need is a garden tool. And now let's loosen the soil. Okay, this is taking some energy. Don't worry about these roots that will act as compost for later on. The composition of soil that I use is 30% coco peat, 30% vermicompost and 30% garden soil, and rest 10% is for perlite, or if you do not have perlite you can use sand. So now we have loosened the soil and now I'm going to take some soil and place it aside. So I'm going to use this soil again to cover the seeds. Bad dress for today, bad color for today. Once you take the required soil amount, now we are going to wet the soil so that once you add those seeds, they don't sink in. once the watering is done, I'm going to make some lines this way. And now I'm going to sow these seeds. So these are the seeds I have got it from the grocery store. So do not overcrowd the seeds, because when there's a lot of competition, it hinders the growth. For faster germination, you can also soak the seeds overnight and then sprinkle it this way. But again, those seeds are a bit sticky. So now I'm going to cover these lines with the soil. So there's nothing wrong in getting your hands dirty for a good reason. And this is an amazing reason, I believe. So I'm going to add some more over here. So now I'm going to cover these seeds with the soil. So now we are done with covering the seeds with the soil. So now I'm going to write date and the seeds which I have used from which brand, so that it's a gentle reminder for me. So you can use this as well, and it's really useful. And I'm going to stick it over here. Okay. So once you take it to the balcony, you have to water this thoroughly. I'm not watering it over here because it's going to spill all over my clothes. And coming to the regular watering, you have to water it twice a day, because the seeds need a lot of moisture to germinate. With the temperature now, it will get dried up soon, so it's better you use good amount of and good quality of coco peat, so the moisture remains for longer duration. So now let's take this into the balcony. So now I'm going to water them thoroughly. And you should also have good number of drainage holes, and make sure the water gets drained properly. If not, you'll end up seeing the leaves falling after 2-3 days. So this is a fully grown methi plant, and you can see those seed pod over here. And I have left it to grow so that I can collect these seeds and harvest them and resow. So let's see how it grows. So this is all about methi, guys. Do try out and grow some greens. It's really an amazing experience. And I have been growing greens since the lockdown, and it's something really thrilling. So do try this and advise your kids to grow and let them learn about plants, right? And then subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. And I'll meet you up with another interesting video. Until then, stay hydrated, drink good amount of water, take care, and bye.